tuning in. Here I have Miss Malibu with me from Peach's Beach Town Litter, which is now 4 weeks old. And then Honeydew's Heroes are 5 weeks old. It's amazing how fast time is flying. In this video, I want to show you just the updates so you can see what they all look like at this point as they're becoming more and more puppy-like as what you'd expect. They go, when they're born, they look kind of funny, but they get cuter and cuter every single week. And so it's a fun thing to see. You're gonna see the handling exercises that we do with them that kind of make them more bulletproof and well-rounded, as well as a couple of the exposure items we've done over the past week, and sounds. Yeah, I've been trying to take little clips, but I forget to do it. Sometimes I'm doing the stuff with the puppies and I forget to bring out the camera. So anyways, I hope you enjoy and I'll see you soon. So here you can see the Beach Town litter learning how to potty on the alfalfa pellets, which is so exciting because it makes my life way easier, and it's gonna give the puppies a great start for potty training once you take them home. I'm gonna send you home with alfalfa pellets to sprinkle where you want them to go potty, and that smell association is gonna help a ton. Then here you see the novelty item of this day is plastic bags. So they're just exploring at their own pace. We don't force them to explore, but whenever they feel like it, they're welcome to go play with them. So that's what they're doing right now. The audio was bad in the beginning, but this is another novelty item that we did this week. Squares, and there are just a bunch of different textures. So I'm holding a wool square and like a plastic netting. But as you can see, the puppies are kind of checking out different types of textures. So it's kind of cool because they get exposed to different type of materials that they're gonna see all around the world. So it's pretty neat, as they're just getting to explore and try something new. Here's the hero litter checking out the plastic bags as their novelty item as well. And they're also listening to different sounds for desensitization, so you'll hear noise in the background. Show you the 10-step handling exercises that the puppies experience each day, with the goal of making sure that they're ready for when kids are tugging on their ears or the vet or the groomer has to work with them, just so that they're as well-rounded as can be. So I have Mr. Newport that is just one of my absolute favorites. He's in Peach's Beach Town litter. He is such a cool little guy, and I just thought I'd show you what that looks like. So first, we're gonna rub on and just tug the ears, and each week we apply a little more pressure. So as you can see, he doesn't really seem to mind. Cover their eyes just for a few seconds, just so that they get used to whatever. Open their mouth and run their fingers along the gums. So I like to make sure that we're getting in there. They'll be ready for brushing their teeth or whatever might need to be done, especially just so the vet can check them out. Then we're gonna rub the belly in a circular motion, and then run the hands down, back, up again, and then pat the back. Just get them ready for all the physical touch that they're gonna get to enjoy. Next, we're gonna tug and twist the tail in a circular motion. Boop, boop. Seems like kids love tugging on tails. I don't know what the deal is, but gotta get them ready for that. Then we're gonna touch all the paws and press on the pads of their paws. Kind of hard to show. Whoops. Then we're gonna tap the nails. Tap the nails, that way they're ready for nail trims or whatever the case may be. Run fingers around their neck and kind of tug on the collar. Look at this guy, oh my goodness. And then lastly, we're just gonna kind of mess with their nose. Touch it, and that's it. It's pretty harmless, but even though it's such a short thing, over time, it's really gonna help make sure that they're bulletproof and ready for whatever comes their way. Here's a cute clip I just couldn't not add to the video. I hope you enjoyed.